The CFA Level II exam has a 10-year historical pass rate of 45%. One of the top 3 most difficult areas on that exam, according to a recent CFA Institute candidate survey, is derivatives. This video is going to look very quickly at learning outcome statement for derivatives from CFA Level 2, and you'll quickly see how Level 2 is a little bit different and a little bit more challenging than Level 1. The 2 learning outcome statements that we're going to look at are describe and interpret the binomial option valuation model and its component terms, and describe how the value of a European option can be analyzed as the present value of the option's expected payoff at expiration. The study process is we use the Wiley study guide and other materials to help guide us through the official curriculum, in particular looking at the blue box examples and the end of module practice problems and their solutions. So here we can see from the CFA curriculum, blue box example on the single period binomial call value, and they're asking for the optimal hedge ratio and the call option value. Now we're looking at the Wiley study guide with a similar blue box example, but the nice thing here is that in the solution, they really lay it out step by step. So first you have to compute the possible values of the stock up and stock down. Then you calculate the intrinsic value of the call option. Then you compute the risk neutral probabilities, and then you use the expectations approach. If you use a no arbitrage approach, you have to calculate the hedge ratio out. And so that's why the study guide is excellent. It's step by step, and it complements the CFA curriculum perfectly. If we look into the CFA curriculum here, it's a little bit more condensed. And then if you get to the practice problems, you can see at the end of the module, they're asking, there's an item set, there's a vignette here. I'm cutting it off after the alpha company. There's more in the beta company, but it's giving you the same type of information. And if we jump down to the practice problems, they're asking for the optimal hedge ratio, the risk neutral probability, and the value of the call option. So it's everything that the study guide helps guide you through the curriculum to do both the blue box examples and the end of chapter questions and solutions. The official curriculum end of chapter solutions are so important because you can see here for question number 2, they throw at you a little bit of a different spin. They don't give you the up factor and down factor in the question as they normally do in the text. They give you the stock price. So you had to calculate first that 56 over 50 is the up factor and 46 over 50 is the down factor, and then use that in the risk neutral probability. So we can see that level 2 is quite a bit different from level 1. There's 3 minutes per multiple choice question. You have to read through vignettes, and in some cases there's 4 to 5 calculations just for 2 learning outcome statements. The Prof, Ted, and Wiley self-study course for CFA Level 2 includes the ebook study guide covering every learning outcome statement, over 1,500 plus exam-style practice questions, 2 full-length mock exams, the video lectures by expert instructors like Peter Olinto, course outlines, exam planner, personalized study schedule, 30 to 45-minute bite-sized lessons, dashboard and performance metrics, formula sheets, and the Wiley mobile app. This special offering is available for $295 US. The normal retail price is $595 US without the videos, but we've reduced access to 1 year for the special pricing. Thank you and have a great day.